Hi, my name is Mark. This is my NFT and ebb and flow system. Finished it today, worked on it all weekend. Put in a 55-gallon sump in the ground, raised bed ebb and flow or flood and drain. Got a 325-gallon-per-hour pump down there. Pumps up into that line, runs through my NFT system. I did paint this beforehand and it got really scratched up when I was wrestling it in, but it came out pretty good. I used the 2-inch net pots. I kind of wanted to use 3, but I couldn't get them. They were sold out everywhere. So I can always make the hole bigger. I just can't make it smaller, so I figured just go ahead with it. I added a aeration pump. Look, it's sitting right there. I think it's going to do okay out of the rain. It's pretty well protected and it's hanging. And I got 2 air stones down in the bottom for aeration. I'm not even sure if I need it because when it floods in there, man, it's like a waterfall in there. Obviously, I need a lot more media. That's also kind of on back order. I got a screen to go over this, keep the bugs and leaves out until I get the media. But it's going good, it's working. I'm going to put some lettuce up in here probably at the end of the week. And if all goes well, we can just come out here with some scissors and make a salad. So that's where I'm at right now. See you, goodbye.